Welcome this video. Outdoor patio roof idea. Enhance your outdoor living space. A well designed patio roof can transforming your outdoor space into a functional and style retreat. Whether you will look for shed from the sun productive for the run or simple and static enhance than are numbering other to some different need and budget. Here are some created and professional outdoor patio roof idea to consider. Pergola with Cameroon plots. A pergola is an element and open roof structure that can provide shade, well main entrance, and air embracing. To enhance its effective need, consider at convenient plants like jump there. Plants not only add a touch of greenery, greenery but also often add shade and procrastinate. Salt and matter row. For those who went to more placement, salt, hard salt, wood, and metal row is a fantastic choice. Those row often full placement that from the element make the patio usable year round. Wood roof add a roof and warm feel while metal roof are stick modern and doubling. Thank you for watching this amazing video.